is for apple. B is for the bear.
जब तक आपका बेबी 3.5 साल का होता है, that is 3.6, what all he should be knowing, I'll try to cover the information for you all. तो इस वीडियो को पूरा देखिए. My Miggy baby have just completed 3.6 years. And as we all know that because of this pandemic, we are not sending our kids to preschool to nursery. So here is the video to give you all some idea about what all you should be teaching to your little one. I'll be talking step by step what all your baby should be writing by now, what they should be reading, what they should be knowing orally. These cardboard books helped me a lot in the journey of teaching my little one. These palm-sized books are strong, durable and waterproof. I'll drop the link of this kit in the description box below. Well, now let's begin. The first step in teaching the alphabets is getting your child interest in listening to stories. And this we begin right when our little ones are toddlers. If we introduce books to our little one when they are 2 or 3, they get the idea that books contains prints which is made up of letters. By the age of 3 or 3.5, your baby should be able to recognize at least half the letters. That is, there are 26 letters, so by now they should be able to recognize 10 to 12 letters.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
G is here, G. G, H.
G, G, I,
J.
J, K, N.
L.
L, Q, P, O, N.
He can recognize mostly all the alphabets. He get bit confused in J, L, M, W. It depends upon parents when they start teaching their little one to recognize alphabets. And also it depends upon child. सभी बच्चे अलग होते हैं. कुछ जल्दी सीख जाते हैं, कुछ थोड़ा टाइम लगाते हैं. Phonic sound of A.
A.
Phonic sound of B.
B.
C make what sound?
G.
D.
D.
साथ ही साथ आप फोनिक साउंड भी सिखा सकते हो. क्या आपका बेबी भी ऐसे मस्ती करता है पढ़ते हुए? डू कमेंट मी बिलो. 3 to 3.6 years old baby can recognize 10 to 12 alphabets, but it is possible that they can recognize all 26 alphabets. And also it's possible that they are recognizing only 5 to 7 letters. There's nothing to worry about it. Give your little one some time. They'll soon catch up.
1, 2.
Your 3 to 3.6 years old baby should be able to recognize number 1 to 10. And in oral counting they should know 1 to 20. Miggy can recite 1 to 10 without mistake, लेकिन उसके बाद he mixes up 12, 14, 18. So I'm working on it. तो अगर आपका बेबी भी पूरी तरह से नहीं सही बोल रहा है, then nothing to worry. You can take time and teach them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
By the age of 3.6, your baby should be able to sing complete A to Z. They should also be able to sing rhymes like Johnny Johnny, Jack and Jill, Baba Black Sheep, etc. In case of writing, many parents have doubt about what is the right age to start teaching your baby to write. जब बच्चा 3 साल का हो जाता है, still their finger grip, their hand grips are not fully developed yet. And if that time we directly introduce pencil and books and start teaching them standing, sleeping and slanting line, they won't find it interesting and they won't do it. So these pre-writing activities will build a good grip in their hand and also interest in writing. This is also a pre-writing activity that Miggy is doing. There are many more such pre-writing activities that you can do with your 2 to 3 years old baby. I'll drop the link in the description box below. I'll also drop the link of the video where you can see how I taught miggivaby step by step to write. Do check it out those videos once you complete this video. So when your baby is 2.5 to 3 years old, let them make the strokes the way they want, let them enjoy with such activities. And slowly and steadily start teaching them standing line, sleeping line, slanting line and curves. So by the age of 3, they will be good in making strokes and curves. Don't expect them to be perfect in it. I have been reading many articles where it says 3 से 4 साल की उम्र में बच्चों की grip fully develop होती है. So let them take their own time. In this clip, miggivaby is around 3.3 years old and you can see that his grip is not perfect. It's fine. Make standing line.
Yeah, now make sleeping line. F. Wow, Mickey wrote F.
So till your baby turns 3.6 years old, they should be able to write letters with strokes having standing line, sleeping line, slanting line and curves. Alphabets like L, E, F, T, H, I, V and A and numbers 1, 7 and then I moved on to curves teaching 0, 6, C. Miggy finds this matching activity very interesting and with this he also learns to make strokes. This also helped my baby in writing many letters and also recognizing many shapes, numbers and things. Detailed video of how to teach your baby numbers, shapes and many things with this matching activities. I'll drop the link in the description box below. Do go and check it out. It will be a real help for you. By this age, some babies can understand numbers in quantity till 3 and some till 5. If you show them 3 fingers, they should be able to say 3 without even counting. Miggy, how many fingers?
3.
How many fingers?
2.
How many fingers?
5.
Very good. As I see the video is getting too long, so I'll be coming up with the part 2 in the next video. In that video, I'll be covering what all your baby should be able to identify, that is conversation, general awareness, about GK and about some pre-maths concepts. तो अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो फटाफट सब्सक्राइब कर लो and don't forget to hit the bell button too so that you don't miss the video when I upload. Till then, bye bye.